Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will create calendars for our projects. Choose Enterprise, click on Calendars. Here, you will see list of global calendars, resource calendars, and project calendars. Click on Project, choose Add to add calendar.
I will copy from this calendar.
Let's call it Calendar 1 as per our exercise. Click on Modify. Keep it on total work hours per day. Use the left and right indents to scroll months. Click on the center to get the month view. And you can change the year using these navigation buttons. You may notice work hours per day as 8 while I click these dates. While I click on Saturday, it shows 0 hours per day. You can choose any day and click non-work to make it a non-working day. Click on Work tab to make it a working day. These are the legends. Click on Standard to bring hours back to standard. This Workweek tab is a shortcut method to input calendar hours in a week format. I will make Friday as a non-working day by entering 0. By selecting detailed work hours per day, we get work hours in more detailed view. When we click on Workweek tab, working hours with time for each day of week can be seen. Note here, work begins at 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Then there is a break from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. You can turn the unit hours into work or non-work by choosing and selecting the options. Time periods tab. Primavera stores duration in hours. This is the conversion factor for this calendar. I will cancel all the changes made in this demonstration. Let us modify the calendar as per our exercise. Saturday is a working day. Work hour shows 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. It should be from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. with break from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. I will do the changes using multiple selection. making few non-working days for this calendar. Entering the conversion hours. Hours per week, 8 hours per day, multiplied by 6 days. For monthly hours, week hours into 4 weeks. For year hours, week hours into 52 weeks. Similarly, let's create calendar 2 as shown in the video. Inherit holidays is a function where we can copy the holidays from other calendars. I want to copy holidays from calendar 1. It has to be under global calendars. Let's click OK to save this calendar. Let's move calendar 1 from projects to global calendars. Select the calendar and click to global. Now the calendar will be appearing under global calendars. Let's go back to calendar 2 which we were modifying. Choose the calendar, click on Modified. Let's inherit holidays from calendar 1. Now you can see holidays are added. Finally, enter the time periods and conversion hours. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.